Howdy folks, TJ here. Received a little package from overseas. I wasn't expecting anything, but then I was expecting something because Ricky from You Make Robots messaged me saying, hey, has a package arrived? And I go, was I expecting a package? He says, yes. It's just the U.S. Postal Service can be a little slow at times. So this is a little blue box that arrived from overseas. He said this is not something that he's selling, because if you're familiar with You Make Robots, and I've made videos before, he makes a lot of nifty contraptions that connect to older computers. My main thing that I see him making is the replacing your cassette player. You can connect these devices and feed in a perfectly clean .tap file onto your Specky and play games. So that's, I think, probably one of the first things that he made. But he makes other stuff too, like for my Aquarius Plus or older Aquarius, he makes the Aquapad, which is a joystick. And if you're familiar with the Aquarius at all, it has one of those Intellivision style joy pads. And when it goes, it goes. There's nothing else you could fill it in with. So he filled in a gap by making a joy pad for the Aquarius. So he makes a lot of nifty devices. So I'll put the link down below where you can visit his website if you need, like the Maxduino, for example. I've got one of those. I just spit all over my glasses. The Maxduino is wonderful. I've used that on a number of occasions. I find I really like to use that on my older TS1000 Timex computer, because I don't have any, well, I do now have a way to feed SD card into it, because I've got the ZX Spand, but I don't think I could use the ZX Spand on my TS1500, can I? I don't know. Anyway, there's a lot of nifty devices that You Make Robots makes, so check out his website. And he says, here is a gift to me. So let's open it up together. Little obscure blue box. I'll open it up. I don't know what's in here. I don't want everything to fall out, but okay. There's a round puck thing, and he's got his www.youmakerobots.com fun little sticker on here, and I can kind of see through this bubble wrap on the back. It looks like a Pac-Man thing. I'm not quite sure what this is. And then there's some bubble wrap. Oh, that should have screwed up the video right there. This empty box. Is there anything in here? It's got tape around it. I don't think so. Maybe this is just extra cushion for the push. There's a piece of, I don't know what this is. It just a piece of cardboard? Maybe this was just a fun way to make extra packing. I don't think there's a use for this other than to shut me up. Okay, sticker. Okay, let's peel this little thing off. Is there an easy way to get into this? Sometimes people package things like Rubik's Cubes. It's difficult to sometimes get these things off. Oh, I might have saved the sticker. Almost. Oh, yeah, look at that. I can stick this sticker someplace. Okay, there's plenty of tape on here. It looks like a hockey puck, but it's a Pac-Man-y puck. Pac-Man puck. Paku Paku. That was a fun game that I recently played. Paku Paku is addictive. Okay, this has got to be a Maxduino, I'm guessing, in the shape of a Waka 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 Pac-Man. He's got some gum in his mouth. So here's the front, and obviously it looks like a Pac-Man, right? And it's got all the portage on the side. So there's an SD card. So let me show you. I guess I got to kind of go circular. There's port. I think those ports are upside down because the buttons. There's a whole bunch of buttons here. Are they labeled? No. But there is a little screen here, and there's no instructions in here, so I'm going to have to confirm what button does what. But I'm guessing this is a Maxduino in the shape of a Pac-Man, because there's all your normal portage. Thank you very much, Ricky. Imagine me going to a trade show. you're thinking, TJ, you're not going to a trade show and showing off stuff. Well, actually, I go to a show called OmniWest every October. It's an Amiga show. But I'm kind of a troublemaker, so I took my Specky Next there a year and a half ago. And it was fun. I had a table. I had my Specky Next. I had my Omni laptop. Imagine if I had this little creature there. Probably somebody would steal it. Those bastard Amigans, thieves, Commodorians. They're not. They're all good people. Well, I'm sure there's probably a couple of troublemakers in there. But anyway, so this is what it looks like. This looks like a little, this little green thing here. I've got to peel off so the little screen doesn't get scratched up. But thank you very much. So this is I'm guessing a Maxduino in the shape of a Waka Waka Pac-Man. His name, it will be Waka Waka Maxduino. And thank you very much. I'll make a future video on me trying it. Again, the ports are not labeled. I'm guessing it may be in a similar, well, the Maxduino buttons aren't all in a row like this, are they? Especially at a curvature, too. So I'm going to have to figure out what button does what, like, don't push this button or you'll blow up. I'll have to figure it out. But anyway, thank you very much, Ricky. Very kind of you to send me a fun little gift. And I will, and this is also just decoration. So as you can see, I've got my own little decorations. I got my Howdy Folks a big tote bag there. So I put things strategically in videos so I can have Waka Waka right there now. So thank you very much for watching the video. Have a wonderful weekend, everyone. Bye.